Hi everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I have a special recipe for y'all. If you've been following the Johnny Depp / Amber Heard trial, which we have been, we had a very long conversation about muffins and I thought, oh geez, we need to make some muffins. So here's what I assume could have been part of that bouquet of muffins.
Objection, foundation.
I'll overrule foundation.
And hearsay. The question potentially calls for hearsay.
I'll overrule that.
Because you brought muffins, you said, from your husband, right? You gave those to Miss Heard, correct?
May I clarify what occurred so that we can stop talking about the muffins?
Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane?
Well, she's married to the Muffin Man.
The Muffin Man?
The Muffin Man!
She's married to the Muffin Man.
Now, if you've ever been to Mimi's Cafe, they used to make a very popular muffin, a honey bran molasses muffin, and oh, they're just to die for. Apparently they don't have it anymore, so today we are gonna make those. Here's how we do it. All right, we're gonna start off with our glaze. It's gonna be kind of like a upside down cake, but it's a muffin. So we have 3 tablespoons of dark corn syrup. Get that on in there. Okay. We have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 3 tablespoons of white sugar. I bet you can't guess. 3 tablespoons of melted butter. And a half a tablespoon of water. Psych! It was almost all 3s. I'm gonna give that a quick mix. So you can do the paper cups if you'd like. I'm just gonna do it this way because I don't know how sticky. I've heard this is very sticky on your paper and you might not get the paper off the muffin, which would cause some distress when eating. So we're gonna avoid that. Got my inner graffiti artist going. And then we're gonna layer this on the bottom. All right, those are in. We're gonna set this aside and get to making the batter. All right, this is muffin assembly. Now don't let this list deter you. It's really not hard and it's pretty common stuff that you probably have already. Maybe you might have to get some of the dates, but we're gonna start off with these dates, and depending on how dry yours are, you might need to add a little bit of hot water to it. Okay, we're gonna get these in a food processor. And mine are pretty soft already, but we're still gonna add the water. You're gonna add the water either way, but depending on how hot you wanna get your water or how long you want your water to sit before you blend it up, then that will be determined when you get it. So let's get this thing out of there. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little shake. And all right, we're gonna puree this up. Looks good to me. Okay, oh, that's beautiful. Okay. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love eating dates. They're so yummy. Now you can do this with raisins if you would like. You don't have to use dates. Raisins are a lot cheaper. Just soak them a little bit longer because they're usually a lot drier. Just soak them with some hot water. But this is gonna give your muffins some really good texture, moisture, and flavor. Okay. Here's how this is gonna go down on this next part. We are gonna add some brown sugar. Maybe, get out. I'm gonna break that up for just a second just because we don't want clumps in there. Okay, so there's that. We're gonna add some oil. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna add some buttermilk. Vanilla. Molasses. Honey. What we got left? Oh, we got an egg. A special egg. Okay. It's kind of a wonky egg, isn't it? It's kind of funny. Looks like a mango, only it's a different color. Alrighty. I broke that. Okay. We're gonna mix this up pretty good. You don't even want to over mix it, but just blend it in there really well so that there's not some random pieces of sugar or egg or whatnot in there. You don't want to have that. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna add some orange zest. I have some wheat flour. Whoa. I have some wheat bran or wheat germ, either way is fine. Salt and baking powder, and baking soda. Okay, now you wanna, on this last part, you're gonna just mix it till it's incorporated. You don't wanna like over mix it. This is gonna cause flat muffins, which are a no-go. So, be ever so gentle. Okay. All right, let's fill our muffin tins. This is gonna go straight on our sugar glaze. This is actually a really good recipe to get your family to eat a little bit more fiber in their diet, kind of hide it from all this yummy stuff because it doesn't taste like cardboard. That is always a plus in my book. So, all right, we are gonna pop this in the oven and bring out the magic when we're done. Let's do it. We are back. Those muffins look like they are ready to go. Let's get them out and see if we're ready for a taste test. Now that it's hot, you gotta, we're gonna invert it onto a cookie sheet before it gets stuck in there so that we can get it all out. Otherwise, it's not gonna come out too easy, even though we sprayed it. All right, now I'm gonna just do really quick around them, loosen them up, make sure nothing gets stuck. We don't wanna have half a muffin, we want the whole dang muffin, right? It's all about the muffin. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah, you gotta work quick, working quick. Okay, let's see if that did enough. And honestly, if it didn't, I'm eating it from the pan, I don't care. Let's see if we can do this. All right. Nope. There we go. Who am I missing? Oh, no, they all came out. Nice! That one flipped himself right side up. Hot, 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 don't do this, ouch. Okay, so it's hard to tell, but there is the glaze on here. It soaked a lot of it in. There is a little bit remaining in there, but a lot of it has soaked itself into the muffin. We're gonna let them cool down for just a second so we don't burn our mouths on fire. And then we are going to taste test these delicious nuggets. We'll see you in a minute. These have cooled enough for me. I cannot take it any longer. We're going to dig in. I'm gonna steal this guy in front. Ooh, yeah. Now you can eat them plain. You can eat them with some butter. I'm gonna cut it open just to show you what the inside is like. So there you are. And I'm gonna eat it just like that, because I can. Dang it. That is really good. It's a really good way to get your fiber in. It tastes great. Help your guts out a little bit more. And this is a much better present to leave on your husband's pillow. Bye.